Hello, it's Baby Ba English. Today we do a volcano eruption experiment. First of all, we need to build a small hill. Put the top of the bottle on top of our hill, sand hill. Take a spoon. Let's add baking soda or baking powder into the bottle. Here. Another spoon.
Be careful.
Yes, be careful. Next, add 1-2 drops of food coloring. We are using electric orange because this is the color of lava. Yes, orange lava. Okay, 1, 2. That's enough. Let's add a few milliliters of dishwash soap. Just a few. That's enough. And add 50 milliliters of vinegar. Children, look! You're going to see volcano eruption. Enough. Wow! Are you ready?
Are we ready?
Steady.
Steady. Go!
Whoa!
Go!
The volcano eruption.
Yes!
This is lava.
Yes!
Ooh.
Dad.
This is the reaction of baking soda and vinegar.
We start.
Baking soda
It's vinegar.
and vinegar. Vinegar. Lava.